Do you snore on a regular basis? Does your snoring cause you or your partner to wake up? Do you wake up gasping for air? Do you experience excessive daytime sleepiness? If the answer is yes, you might be an undiagnosed sleep apnea patient. Hi, I'm Doctor Lance Timmerman, a sleep dentist in near Seattle. Obstructive sleep apnea can be life-threatening, and treating it is important. In fact, Hall of Fame football great Reggie White died in his sleep from obstructive sleep apnea at 43 years of age. If you or someone you love has any of these symptoms, quit playing Russian roulette and call us today for a free consultation.